Hello glass industry, it's Mark from Glass Open Book, and in this episode, Stoelzle is expanding the decoration services globally. Verescence recognized with CDP AA score, and Gerresheimer developed an app. But before that, a few words about Sonicam. We'd love to thank Sonicam for sponsoring this episode. Sonicam specializes in the design and manufacture of the most advanced machinery and equipment for mold manufacturing and mold maintenance in the glass container industry. Find the whole range of products from Sonicam right on Glass Open Book. Fresh update from Stoelzle Glass Group. They are expanding the decoration services globally and they now call it one-stop shop approach. So what has changed? First of all, Stoelzle has announced the installation of a new screen printing machine at its production site Stoelzle Glass USA in Monaco.
And does cover off the Mercedes into Sandoval. Bottas locks up.
Not this Monaco. Monaca, Pennsylvania. The installation of the CNC machine enables printing in larger quantities in addition to screen printing. Decoration options will include ceramic colors, precious metals, organic and UV colors, printing around the corners and in 360-degree motions. The machinery is equipped with a fully automatic control camera systems and will allow for annual capacity of up to 20 million bottles. This production site, however, will serve the US market only. But how about Europe? Stoelzle made it fair, and Stoelzle Częstochowa in Poland also updated printing machines at its site. A new machine was added to the 7 lines of the common printing machines. In keeping up with the growing customer demand, the brand new printing line offers 4 sections, a 20% more efficient new layer, and increased capacity from 12,500 pieces per shift to more than 25,000 pieces. Well done! Verescence has been recognized with the CDP AA score for leadership in corporate transparency and performance on climate change and water security. Verescence earns this award 2nd time in a row, and it's not an easy task. Verescence is one of the 45 companies that achieved a AA out of nearly 15,000 companies scored worldwide. In 2021, Verescence reduced its water withdrawals per ton of glass by 53% for the entire group. It really is something special. Last but not least, fake beauty products are on the rise, impacting consumer safety and damaging the cosmetic industry. But Gerresheimer, with its expertise for glass packaging, has partnered with TruTag Technologies, a brand protection specialist, to offer an innovative, secure, digital solution for cosmetic brands. So what's the idea? The solution involves the integration of invisible microparticles that can be detected and decoded by a smartphone directly on the product. Consumers or brand experts can use this app to scan and authenticate the beauty product packed in Gerresheimer glass. And I really hope that one day we will have the chance to test the technology out. That's it. We are soon reaching 900 subscribers here on YouTube, and I have seen in the analytics that most of you watch the videos without the subscription. So let's fix that. It's been Mark from Glass Open Book. See you very shortly. Goodbye.